Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a WordPress website with free domain and hosting. Start by choosing a free hosting provider like Infinity Free, 000 Web Host, or WordPress.com. Sign up for a free account and set up your hosting. Now, pick a free domain. You can either use a subdomain provided by your host, like your site.000webhostapp.com, or get a free custom domain from Phenom like .tk or .ml. Now, install WordPress. Log into your hosting control panel. Find the WordPress installer under Apps and follow the steps to set it up. Customize your website. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Pick a free theme under Appearance, then Themes, and start designing your site by adding pages, posts, and widgets. And that's it. Your WordPress website is live with free domain and hosting. Start sharing your content with the world. Ready to create your site? Start now with WordPress and free hosting. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.